Let's do it real quick. Okay, so welcome back guys to another video. Another day is day 3, and in this video we are going to discuss about Kali Linux and all those stuff I just mentioned in day 2. Like I will just show you like some of the basic Linux commands so you can be like handy with Linux and you are going to use the Linux for these entire upcoming days. And before starting this, like I want to tell you like this dude here. That's a major problem if you ask me. Wait, let me pause this for a second. And yeah, there you go. Like this one. Okay, so this is the only one who writes comment on my videos, but I really appreciate it. Let's give you a heart. And yeah, so I have a problem. I have installed ParadoOS on dual boot with Windows 10, and when I connect Wi-Fi with my mobile, then after using sometimes it's automatically connect, disconnect, and not connecting again. But in Windows it's perfectly working. Please reply if you can help me. Well, there's issue about Linux. Well, this is the only issue I think. Like I've used like Linux for 5-6 years now, and this Wi-Fi drivers issue keeps coming. So what you have to do, in my case when I was using ParadoOS, I also have this problem because I was just using it on a crappy laptop, and I can't able to find any solution at that time. So you have this repository here on GitHub. You can just find this link. I will just give this to you. Wait a sec, let me just copy this right now. And okay, so there you go. You have to go to this link, and there's like all instruction here what is going on. The thing like with you is the chipset and the drivers are not properly installed, because I have already told you like this ParadoOS is not like that much of like highly recommended, or maybe like there are like 5 or 6 people who are working and maintaining this Linux, so it's kind of hard. So you have to do like that much part for yourself. So, and that's like whole Linux community do. They just do like all their like making stuff and just building it and cracking it out, figuring it out, and just like working, going through like blogs and blogs and solving the problem. So the major issue I can tell with you is your drivers. Like your ParadoOS drivers are not working properly. That also have worked for me. I have also installed and reconfigured that. Maybe you should try to like update your OS first. Then if that still don't work, you have to just go and install any of your chipset. Try to just install that, and if that doesn't even work, like just then you should like comment me or just hit me on Discord. I will just like personally gonna help you on this one, because I have gone through this. Seriously, like for 1 and 2 months can't able to like use my Wi-Fi. I was just using my cable, and sometimes I using like my Linux, just connecting with my smartphone, and you know so from phone to just laptop. So that's why I'm just using. And I know like in hacking you always need a Wi-Fi, because yeah, you have to like hack a Wi-Fi though. So yeah, that's it. Just try to like read this. There are all instructions like what you have to do. And in case you can't able to do it, then you have to like just go and download your particular chipset or your driver. And the last case is that you need a wireless or that adapter, yeah, Wi-Fi adapter. So just go and just buy this. Like some of one maybe it's also work on Linux, I don't know. I also have this one. So yeah, just buy some kind of this thing, so then you can just able to use it. Because I remember my days when I can't able to find any particular driver for my Kali Linux, and I have to just buy this one. And there's no like if you have a like old laptop or some kind of like old model, they can't able support that. So you have to just go and buy this adapter. You have to just buy this. So yeah, that's it. And like moving to the day 3. So just open your Linux, and so I will show you. Okay, let me cut this out, everything. So you have your Linux machine like this. let me open this and wait, don't do this. Okay, so this is Kali Linux, and I don't know like what version it is. Let me just go and oh, share. Okay, just give me a second here. I don't know, I still have connected with that. Yep. So yeah, this is your Kali Linux, and this is the main menu here. You just open this, and you can find like all the tools here with like categorize. So just read this. I'm not gonna just tell you like what this tool are. It's already mentioned here, like password tag, information gathering, and sniffing, spoofing, and reporting tools too, which we are seriously gonna use, like seriously, like if we are working on it. I have used this tool like when I was just like starting like as a script kiddie, but every script kiddie have like some of the memories with this tool. Okay, this video is not about like that much thing. I don't know why I'm just like telling this all thing, but these all tools are here. But what we are going to do in this video, we are not going to just do any of the tool here and just open your terminal. Okay, let's clean it out and let me just maximize it. So I'm going to tell you like some of the commands, and some of the commands are kind of like same as Windows. If you do like pwd, which is current working directory, you will have this. I'm in like my home and Frey. This is my username, this is my home window, and this. Okay, and if you do like ls, it will like list out like all the directories and all the files. And in Linux, like everything considered as file. So if you are like seeing this is also file, this is also file, this is the. So just do like lsla, and this will like tell you whole thing, like what is going on. And if you are going to see like how many things are you 1 2 3 4 4 4 8 or 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 10, and you only have like 10 things here, right? But when I do like lsla, this also gonna like tell me like what all files are here, including the hidden ones. You have everything. So you can even see the like permissions here. This is like read write permissions, and this is the users, who I am, like who this belongs. Just so for the root file, which is actually like ... it means like going back. And you can just see like everything belongs to like Frey, to the Frey user, and I can access them. And they are the permissions. Here are the permission like what I can do with them, and this is who can access them. And there are like some bytes, and this is the time of modification, like time or dates, and this date, day, time. Now like if you are stuck somewhere in Linux with some of the commands and you can't able to like find that like what is this and what is this, so there is always a manual pages for you. Just go in man, which is for manual pages, and write like ls for this command. So you can see this like ls list directory context, and this contains this whole things. Like a is for like all. I can also use like all like this, but I like prefer like using a. So just that's it. Like here are the all option. If you can't believe on me, just go and just like try to use this for yourself. Like okay, wait a minute, like let me show you. I use this LA, right? If I use like all, one more flag. So there you go. It just gave me like same output, but not like in this one. So this is like a kind of like more explained way. So that's it. This is for LA command. Then there's like 3 and 4 more things I want to just tell you. We will go on the root directory on another part, or maybe like in this video. First, like if you want to like create any file here on your folder, just like any directory. Let's just create a directory for this tutorial. So just write mkdir, which is like make directory, and name it as lol, or well, no, don't do it. Okay, name it as anime. So now we have an anime directory here. If we do like ls, we can see like anime is here. So if we, okay, just don't do it. And now you have to go inside the anime. Let me first like split screen for you, maybe, so you can just see that. Okay, we just created anime file. So here's anime. Now we have to go inside the anime one. So we have to go inside this folder. How can we do that? So the command for that is cd, and cd means like change directory, so you can just like remember it. Now write anime, and one more trick for you guys, don't write the full word, just write a and hit tab. It's gonna like autofill for you, and just hit enter. Now you are inside anime. You can see that from here. If you don't believe me, like do the like pwd and this like now home fray anime. You can also see this like from here, home fray. I'm still in home fray in my GUI, and in terminal I'm in this folder. So let me open this. So there's nothing inside in here. You can see the path from here. See, home fray anime, like home fray anime. So we are on the same one. Let's clean the screen. And now we have to create some file in here. Like if you want to just create like that notepad file or something in Linux, how can you do that? So for that, just there's a command, right touch, and name it as one piece. Okay, so here you go. You got one piece in here. So that's it. Now you can already like see this. So that's how we create that. Now let's create like one more. Like if we have to create like two more files here, we can just like separate that with space, like there are 1 and 2. So you have like 1, 2, one piece. So like that's kind of like easy in Linux, like how to create this file. And now we have to like write something inside them without opening them in real. Like we can just write like here on one piece. Like okay, okay, I don't know. Oh shit, this is like opening with Visual Code. I don't want to like open it. Okay, mousepad. So we have to write like something here in one piece. Like let's write lol and save it and hit enter, close. So now we want to read it, what we have wrote in here. So let's see, just write like cat, and cat gonna like context out everything which is in the file, and write one page, and don't write one page, just click enter, and there you go. So lol is read inside one page. Now we have to write something in one file, but we don't want to just open it and like bother like those all things like opening mousepad and those all leaf pad and something like pad. So we don't want to just do it, and we want to just write it from here. So how can we do that? Yeah, before doing that, like I want to tell you like another command which is like seriously important. If you are doing bash, we will do it in later videos. So just use like echo and write something like hello. So it's going to like echo out this text on the terminal, and it's not saved somewhere. But if you want to like save this particular text in some file, you have to just do this and hit 1. Now if you go into this file, so you can see, okay, wait, if I have 1, I have a 1 in here. Okay, yeah. So we have wrote like hello in this file. See, and it's like reflecting now here, not just reflecting, it's saved here. You can also like get this out, what I have told you in another video. Oh, just right now. Wait, 1. And there you go, hello. Now we have like wrote everything here. What else we can do? Let's see. Okay, this is for appending, and if we have to write something in 2, let's see. Let's try to just do that. Echo and try do Linux and on 2. Okay, now just like get out 2. So here's Linux, but one thing which I want to tell you, if you like try to like write something else in 2 like this, something in 2, and get out something in 2, now it's only something, and where the fuck is our Linux? Like that's gone. So if you want to like write 2 things at a time and don't want to lose the another one, you should use this append method. It's like 2 arrows, like 2 signs. something, not okay, just delete this, nothing, and oh no, just do this sign and clear the screen. Now cat out 2. So now you have like nothing, and that's it. I have wrote like nothing for 2 times, no problem. So the another thing I want to teach you is how to remove this file. Let's try to remove them. We are on the same directory. So there are 2 things you can do. First, okay, yeah, I want to also make another directory here as a name of test. And now you have to like before removing it, let's just do one thing. You have to copy this file into this. So how you can do that? For that, there's like one command, cp, which is copy, easy to remember, and there's always like man pages for cp2. You can just see this here. Okay, no problem. Now you have to copy this one into test. So just use like cp and the file you want to copy one on this directory, the file of your directory where you have to copy, and that's gone. If I open test, I can see one in here. So that's it. Now that's simple as that. But now you don't have to like, you don't want to just copy this text because of memory thing. You have like less memory and you don't want to just copy the same thing again. You have to just move one page in test. How can you do that? So for that, there's one command called, which is like mv. Oh, what the fuck, I just wrote like mp, I don't know. So for moving any file, you have to just do this like mv, then same process as copy. Like this file, the file you want to move from the file, the destination where you want to just move that file. So that is test, and there you go. It's gone from here. Now it's in test. So that's simple as that. And now one more thing, yeah, but I just like remember with like mv, and that's like very good to know like how to rename files in Linux. You don't want to just do it. If you are on Linux, like why are you doing this, like right click and just rename blah blah blah? Don't do this. Well, actually you can do like this, but like you will be fucking stupid if you are doing this and you have already opened your terminal. If you have opened your terminal, don't do Windows things. Like, okay, that's a quote from me. Yeah, it's a nice quote. Like, okay, if I will be like great or something in Linux community, like remember this quote. Like, if you ever open your terminal, don't do Windows things. So what do you have to do? All right, mv command, and this one we have to change this one into some of the cool name, like Zorro. Okay, let's change one into Zorro. So now write the name of one and the name you want to do, like Zorro. Okay, now it's gonna change it to Zorro. So our one has changed to 0. Let's change 2 into Luffy. So mv2 Luffy, and there you go. Now it's changed. Now there's like our tutorial is done. Now there's like one thing which I want to like tell you how to remove this file. Okay, now we have to like remove Luffy and Zorro. Like we can just do this rm. Let's remove Zorro and also remove Luffy. Okay, just remove everything. Okay, so all gone. We just deleted them. And yeah, we can also like delete this, but remember, like, why the fuck you want to just remove like this if you have opened your terminal? And now there's one thing, like if you try to like do rm and test, it's can't able to remove this because rm can't able to remove the directory, and it's like saying it, oh bro, what the fuck is directory? Are you stupid or something? So we are not. So let's just do this rm rf, and by doing this you can just remove this. Like it's like forcefully removing this. I don't, you are just saying your computer, like your Linux, I don't fucking care what is it, it's directory or something, like just fucking remove it, I don't want it. But the correct way of like removing directory is rmgir. Oh well, let me make like 2 directories so we can just remove them. name it as remove, clean it, and let's try to like remove first one. If I do rm and remove, it's can't able to remove it, but if I do rm rf remove, it's gone. Bye, we will see you in hell. And now the next one, this test one, rmgir, if you try to do this and test, it will just say you like this is not empty. If I make mkdir, why is telling is because this have like one piece and that one file we have moved on. So rmdir, and if I do like 1, and if I try to do this rmgir 1, so it's gone. So because that directory was empty, now we have to remove this. Just do this rmrf and test. Now go. Now everything is gone. Now let's remove this animate too. Let's go back. For going back in Linux, yeah, this important thing I just forgot. Just do like cd and this door 2 dot sign and you are back. Now remove rmdir, you can do that because it's empty directory, animate, and that's gone. Now at some point, let's go. Let me go to share. User share something, and okay, yeah, I am here. Okay, I'm in this directory and it's like somewhere in Linux, like I'm in user share blah 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 go. So now if I do like pwd, I'm saying okay, I'm lost, I want to just reach my home one, like I really just want to go home, so something kind of that situation. So just do this like cd and this sign, wave sign, and then you are here, you are back to your home. So if you want to go to home, like back to home, you can just go in here. So there's like one more thing I want to like teach you about this root directory, this whole root thing. But I think like that's it about this video. We can go with this one later because we have to go like about each folder and about everything on root section. Maybe I should make a, like another video which is out of like this playlist. I'm just like doing this playlist for like some people like who want to just learn hacking. So that's it. Like you will learn seriously like all hacking skills by the time you will just give like more and more time to Linux and just stop like using fucking Windows, and then you will be like comfortable with Linux and you can do like everything with terminal. You are not going to open this file manager blah blah shit. Okay, that's it about this video. Let me just pause this. Okay, so yeah, I will see you on the day 4. What we are gonna do in that video. Let's see, day 4. Oh yeah, we're gonna be anonymous. Okay, we are not gonna join anonymous because you can't join anonymous. You can be one. So if you think like you are already in anonymous, you are already in anonymous. That's the thing. Okay, bye and take care. Be safe. Don't die because I want views from you guys. Don't die, okay? Why the